Welcome to Bike Shift, where speed, engineering, and future technology collide. In this video, we explore one of the most mysterious and ambitious aerospace projects ever discussed, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41. Often described as the successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound, the MiG-41 is rumored to redefine what an interceptor can be, pushing the limits of speed, altitude, and next-generation warfare. The MiG-41, also known in reports as PAC-DP, Prospective Aviation Complex for Long-Range Interception, is envisioned as Russia's answer to emerging hypersonic threats and sixth-generation combat aircraft. Designed by Mikoyan, this aircraft is expected to replace the aging MiG-31 fleet while offering capabilities far beyond traditional interceptors. By 2026, the MiG-41 is rumored to move closer to prototype or early testing stages, signaling a major leap in interceptor design. Unlike conventional fighter jets, the MiG-41 is believed to focus less on dogfighting and more on extreme speed and reach. Reports suggest a stealth-influenced airframe combined with advanced materials capable of withstanding extreme heat. The aircraft may feature a blended wing-body design and internal weapon bays to reduce radar cross-section. Everything about the MiG-41 points toward high-altitude, long-range dominance rather than close combat agility. One of the most talked about aspects of the MiG-41 is its rumored Mach 4 to Mach 5 top speed. If achieved, this would make it one of the fastest combat aircraft ever conceived. Operating at near-space altitudes, the MiG-41 could intercept hypersonic missiles, reconnaissance satellites, and high-speed bombers. Such performance would require revolutionary propulsion, possibly combining turbojet and ramjet technologies for sustained hypersonic flight. The MiG-41 is expected to rely heavily on artificial intelligence and advanced sensor fusion. Instead of traditional pilot workload, AI-assisted systems may handle navigation, threat detection, and targeting. A powerful radar system, potentially capable of tracking objects in near space, would allow the aircraft to act as a strategic defense platform. Some concepts even suggest optional unmanned operation, placing the MiG-41 firmly in the sixth-generation category. Rather than carrying a large number of conventional weapons, the MiG-41 is expected to deploy highly specialized long-range missiles. These may include hypersonic interceptors, anti-satellite weapons, and advanced air-to-air missiles designed to engage targets before they enter national airspace. The aircraft's role would be strategic, defending vast territories and responding to threats long before they become visible to standard defense systems. If the MiG-41 becomes operational as envisioned, it could change how nations think about air defense. Speed, altitude, and information dominance would matter more than maneuverability. The MiG-41 would not just intercept aircraft, it would intercept threats from the edge of space, creating a new layer of national defense that blends air and space warfare. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 remains surrounded by secrecy, speculation, and bold claims. Whether all rumored capabilities become reality or not, the concept alone represents a dramatic shift in military aviation. From hypersonic speed to AI-driven combat systems, the MiG-41 stands as a symbol of the future of interception and aerospace innovation. Stay tuned with Bike Shift as we continue to explore machines that push beyond the limits of speed and technology.